Hello friends, today we are going to study about the different types of partners. Already we have seen what is mean by partnership firm, what are the merits of partnership firm, what are the demerits of partnership firm. Now we will see what are the types of partner. The very first type is active partner. Now who is the active partner? An active partner is one who takes active participation in day-to-day working of the business. Active partner may act in a different capacities such as a manager, organizer, advertiser, advisor and controller of all the affairs of the firm. Here, active partner contributes to capital, shares profit or losses, has unlimited joint and several liability. Now he is also known as working partner, ordinary partner, etc. This partner may get some extra benefit for his services render other than share in the profit. Okay, understood what do you mean by active partner? Now the next we will see that is dormant partner. The second type is a dormant partner. A dormant partner is one who contributes capital, shares profit and contributes to the losses of the business but does not take part in the working of the concern. Listen carefully what the dormant partner is doing. He does not take active part in the working of the concern. A person may have money to invest, but they may not be able to devote time for the business. Such a person becomes a dormant partner. Now we can say dormant partner, also known as a sleeping partner, and these partners are liable for the liabilities of the business like other partners. He cannot bind the business, that is, we can say firm or to the third party by his acts. Okay. Now the third we will see that is nominal partner. A nominal partner is one who only lends his name to the firm. Okay, means he is only giving his name to the firm. He neither contributes to capital nor shares profit of the business. Due to his presence in the firm, the business may get more credit in the market or may promote its sales. A nominal partner is liable to those third parties who give credit to the firm on the assumption of that person being a partner in the firm. Okay. Now the next, that is secret partner. Now who is the secret partner? The person who is not known to the third parties is termed as secret partner. His membership in the firm is kept secret from outsiders. Secret partner contributes to capital, shares profit of the firm, assumes unlimited liability, and he is liable for the losses of the business. He can take part in the working of the business. Okay. Now the next, that is minor as a partner. Now the question is, who is the minor? A minor is a person who has not attained 18 years of age or age of majority as per the provision of Indian Contract Act 1872. Means in a simple word, the person who is the minor who is not completed the 18 years of age. A minor cannot enter into a contract according to the Indian Contract Act because a contract by a minor is a void. However, we can say a minor may be admitted for the benefits of an existing partner with the consent of all the partner. Okay. The minor is not personally liable for liabilities of the firm, but his name in the partnership property and profits of the firm will be liable for the debts of the firm. After attaining the 18 years of age, he should give public notice about the continuation in the firm. Okay. Now the next, that is sixth, is partner in profits only. When a partner agrees to share only profits of the firm and would not be liable for its losses, he is known as partner in profits only. Such partners share capital of the firm and may not take active participation in the management of the firm. However, such partners are liable for all the debts of the firm. Okay. Now the next is sub partner. Now who is the sub partner? When a partner agrees to share their own profit derived from the firm with a third person is known as a sub partner. A sub partner cannot represent himself as a partner in the original firm. Okay. Now the next is partner with limited liability. This type of partner exists in a limited partnership. The liability of the partner is limited to the extent of the capital contributed by him in the firm. He is a special partner and generally does not take active part in the working of the firm. And the last one is quasi partner. Now, who is the quasi partner? Quasi partner is a partner in partnership firm who retired from firm but left his capital with the firm. Quasi partner do not take active participation in the firm but shares profit of the firm. Such partner is liable for the debts of the firm. Many times such partners received certain rate of interest on his capital. Okay, understood? Means quasi partner is who is retired from the firm but he is having his capital with the firm. Okay, thank you everyone. If you like, then like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.